Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to look at the controls for your DashFlex 12 centrifuge. Controls overview, DashFlex 12. Your DashFlex 12 has all of its controls right here on the front panel. The RPM screen, which displays the currently selected speed in RPMs. The RPMs can be adjusted using the buttons next to this screen. A single press up increases by 50 and a press down decreases by 50. As we adjust, the RPM shown on the screen will adjust as well. If you overshoot or undershoot your desired RPM, you can use the buttons to adjust back to your original desired mark. The RCF XG button displays the G-force in the RPM window. If you press and hold the RCF XG button, you can adjust by G-force using the buttons next to the RPM display. The three indicator lights show the status of your DashFlex 12. The left light is illuminated when it's running. The middle light is illuminated when the lid lock is engaged. The lid lock automatically engages when the centrifuge runs, so anytime the left light is illuminated, the middle one will be too. And the right light shines when the lid is unlocked. The lid will automatically unlock at the end of the cycle, so you can twist the latch open and remove your samples. It will stay unlocked for 60 seconds, 1 minute. After that, it will lock again. If the lid is locked, you can unlock it with the Stop Unlock button. If the centrifuge is running, this button will stop it mid-spin. If it's not running, this button will unlock the lid. The Start button starts the centrifuge. When you press Start, the DashFlex 12 will run whatever settings are currently displayed on its screens. The time display shows the selected time in minutes and seconds. Like RPM, time can be adjusted using the up and down buttons next to it. The time shown on the screen will dynamically adjust as you raise or lower it. Also, like with the RPM, if you overshoot or undershoot your desired time, you can use the up and down buttons to get it back to your desired value. When you start your centrifuge, the time screen becomes a countdown timer, showing how much time remains. Your centrifuge will spin for a little while before the timer starts counting down. That's because the countdown doesn't start until your centrifuge is up to speed. That way, your tubes get spun at the appropriate speed for the appropriate time. The brake setting controls whether brake will be applied as the centrifuge slows down at the end of each cycle. Brake can be set from 0, no braking at all, to 9, maximum braking. To adjust braking, press the Menu button to enter the advanced menu. Brake should be displayed in the RPM screen. Use the up and down arrows next to the time screen to adjust brake setting. 0 is no braking, while 9 is maximum braking. Once your brake setting is as desired, press Menu again to exit. The centrifuge will run with the selected brake setting until you change it, or until you load a saved setting with a different brake setting. More on saved settings in a minute. The Cycle button switches between saved settings, and the display next to it shows the number of the currently selected cycle. A dash means you have no saved cycle selected. Your DashFlex 12 can save up to 10 cycles. It arrives with 3 pre-programmed cycles already set for your convenience. A saved cycle is a combination of RPM, time, and brake values stored in system memory for easy recall later. The system automatically assigns each one a number, visible in the window next to the Cycle button. The centrifuge will automatically name the cycle as well, MEM4 for the first one, MEM5 for the second, etc. We can create a new saved cycle by adjusting our centrifuge as desired, and then pressing and holding the Cycle button. And those are your controls. If you have any more questions about the controls of your DashFlex 12, you can contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.